Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of blocking the account on the application of AI Chatbot Nova. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list we'll search for AI Chatbot Nova. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we click on storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.